Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, tow hitch, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.